Alright guys, time to do a quick review on this Yupik. These are roasted chickpeas. So this wasn't, this is something neat I thought. I've never tried roasted chickpeas, so as you can see it only contains chickpeas, and there's the nutrient panel right there. If you guys want to read it, pause it. So I'm going to open it up and do a quick taste test for you. Alright, so I got the package all open here. If you guys want to take a look, that's what it looks like. The smell is basically, well, smells like chickpeas. Nothing. Let's try it out. You guys want to? There you go. So it tastes like Okay, so remember, these are unsalted. There's no salt. There's no flavoring whatsoever. So it tastes like peas, like green peas. You know, when you have the wasabi peas, it sort of tastes like that without any flavoring. So it's kind of bland. Definitely tolerable though. Yeah, definitely check it out if you're looking for a new snacking option. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.